In the New Testament, there are 13 letters attributed to Saint Paul. But now, modern scripture scholars, through their studies, they tell us out of these 13, only 7 were written by Saint Paul and 6 were written by his disciples. Which are those 6 were not written by Paul? 1st and 2nd Timothy. Today's reading is from the first letter to Timothy. Ephesians, Colossians, Titus, and 2nd Thessalonians. They were written by his disciples. Those were the tradition those days. A disciple can write in the name of his master, and that was accepted. And that is true for our Gospels also. Gospel of Matthew was not written by Matthew. Gospel of Mark was not written by Mark, Luke, or John. They were written by their disciples. It doesn't matter to us common people who wrote them. What is important for us is the message. So in today's letter to Timothy, Paul admits that he was a sinner. He was persecuting the early Christians. He is not hiding his defects or his past. He admits it. But at the same time, he knows and he says, the gospel which is preaching, he received from Jesus. You know, Paul never met Jesus. Probably has not seen Jesus. But he experienced Jesus for the first time as he was going from Jerusalem to Damascus. On the way, he was struck down and Jesus spoke to him. And since then, he had this intimate relationship with Jesus. Therefore, in his letters, such a high theology, constantly he speaks about Jesus, the love of Jesus, love of God. It is not enough that we read the Bible. We have to meditate upon the Bible. God is speaking to us through that word because it is a living word. It is not just a letter printed on paper. Since it is a living word, it will touch us. In the gospel, we heard Jesus says, a blind man cannot lead another blind man. If he does, both of them fall into a pit. Is it true? No. Because we have seen how blind people, they manage their own way without help of anybody. With that stick, they go. They know. Then, if Jesus is insulting these blind people? No. Then what Jesus is talking about, what type of blindness he is talking? He is not talking about the physical blindness. No. He is talking about the inner blindness. All of us we have 2 eyes. Some of us, we need a specs with 4 eyes. We can read and see. But most of us suffer from inner blindness. We are not open. We are close-minded people. That Jesus is talking about. So he says, open up. See what is there inside you. All that garbage, take it out. Be clean. Then only you will be able to see the small speck which is there in your brother's or sister's eye. Is Jesus saying you should not correct people or you should not judge people? No. We have to correct people. All of us are subject to correction, including me. If somebody corrects me, and if what they said is right, I accept. Because we are human beings. All of us, we make mistake. So, justifying our mistakes or hiding our mistake is not the right thing. That's what Jesus is saying. So today, let us ask for this grace that God may heal us from this inner blindness and we may be filled with His divine light so that we become His true disciples.